Meaning of French kiss.
French kiss.
French kiss.
French kiss.
French kiss. A French kiss is a passionate kiss that involves the intermingling of tongues between two individuals. It is also referred to as a deep kiss or tongue kiss. This type of kiss is typically considered more intimate and is often an indicator of a romantic or sexual connection between the two people. During a French kiss, both partners can experience heightened levels of arousal due to the sensitivity of the tongue and mouth. The term French kiss originated in the early 20th century when it was believed that the French were particularly passionate and skilled at kissing.